How to change your space name on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your space name on Quora app easy and fast. So first thing, go to your profile and then go to your space. From here click on your space and now it will take you to this page. Now this is my space, as you can see. Now all what you have to do to change the name of your space, just go down and click on this settings option, and now you will find this name here and you can change it easy and fast just from here, as you can see, and click save changes. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.